NatureRe has acquired its first pieces of degraded land in the region of Antioquia, Colombia. Due to previous use for cattle ranching, the natural ecosystem has been severely affected. Trees were chopped down regularly, and the soil was treated with chemicals to create pasture. For every single cow, more than a hectare of nature was sacrificed. This way of using land was both highly inefficient and destructive for the environment. Now, through the world-leading expertise of our operating partner, we will assist natural regrowth processes. Over time, birds and rodents will spread seeds that will enable biodiversity to flourish again. Pastures will be able to regrow bushes, and bushes will create a new habitat for forests to thrive and capture massive amounts of CO2. The natural regeneration will enable local species like hummingbirds, capuchin monkeys, parrots, and jaguars to inhabit the area once again. From the start, local communities will be involved in the project. Besides creating sustainable jobs in the region, NatureRe will focus on investments in education. Follow us on our journey to restore nature, capture carbon emissions, and support local communities. NatureRe. Invest in nature. Remove carbon at scale.